Oh, yeah. I know it's aggravating. Those hiccups are just so aggravating, aren't they? We don't like hiccups. No, we don't. No. Mm. Hi, Daddy. She was almost looking up at your camera. Hi, Daddy. It's gonna be a big flash. Yeah, hello. Hello, Daddy. Smile. Oh, maybe if you do a flash, it'll take her hiccups away.